Hi everyone, we completed the Everest Base Camp with Discovery with a great team, Abby and Gale, and now we're heading down after how many days? 8-9 days?
Yeah, I don't know, but it was a very interesting trip, and it's a very unique
Experience.
Everybody should try it, and if we manage to do it, everybody can do it.
Exactly, so you should give it a try.
We had a wonderful time doing the Everest Base Camp and Gokyo Ri trek with Discovery trekking.
Paul was very nice to us since the beginning, and the communication was great. Even throughout the trek, he called us 2 times to make sure you were great.
We had a wonderful experience with our guides, Sidenta and Manis. They were wonderful during the whole trip, very attentions, and we did a great friendship with them. Also, we have to thank our porters because they were very nice to us all the time. And it was a pleasure to meet everyone, and everyone was so nice with us.
The food was great, Talbat every day. I loved it, and Discovery made the whole experience amazing. Thank you, Sidenta, Manis, the porters, Lhotse, Egypt, and Durga. Yeah, it was an amazing experience.
Just here safely.
Special thank you to Chanda, making the journey good.
Thank you.
We made it.
We reached Everest Base Camp with Abby, with the discovered trekking. A very unique experience. It's not the easiest thing to do, but you have to try it. It's very nice.
Discovery World Trekking, and we definitely recommend them. They've taken great care of us. We've had good porters, a wonderful guide, and it's just been a great trek for our family.
Managed the best guide.
Yeah, have a good day, bye-bye.
Okay, Discovery World Trekking, the best trekking company in Nepal. We have a lot to thank to Prem and Nima for this journey, and also the boss Paul for all the support. It's been quite a few days in the mountains. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
We made it to Everest Base Camp. Thank you, Discovery World Trekking, for the amazing journey to Gokyo Ri, and then via the Choda Pass to Everest Base Camp, where we are now. Thank you to our guide Nigma and the porter Durga for the amazing journey. We're very grateful.
It was hard, it was cold,
Yeah,
but it was worth it, and the views were amazing.
yeah.
So thank you.